Hello and welcome back, children. This is Mr. Muzaffar presenting before you the eighth topic of your honeydew reader. The name of the topic is A Short Monsoon Diary. My dear children, yesterday I have taught you the first part of this lesson. Today I am going to teach you the second part of this lesson. My dear children, I have divided this chapter into three parts. One part I have already discussed with you, my dear children. Okay, let me remind you the previous knowledge. My dear children, these are few extracts from Ruskin Bond's diary. You all know what is diary writing. I have made you understand diary writing. What all you are doing in a day, that you are writing in a diary. That you are writing in a diary. Same is the case with Ruskin Bond. He has prepared a diary. He has prepared a diary. In that he has written about this monsoon. In this he has written about the monsoon. My dear children, here in this lesson he is discussing the silent miracles of nature and life's little joys and regrets. My dear children, here in this diary, uh, he's describing his experiences. He's describing his experiences during the monsoon months in Missouri, my dear children. Children, you all know monsoon starts in the last week of June, and you all know it continues till the end of August. Till the end of August. Yesterday I also told you about diary. What is diary? A diary is a record of personal experiences. As I have discussed with you, my dear children, number of times. Just go and make a diary. Make a diary of your own. Make a diary of your own. What you are doing in a day, you must pen down that in a diary. After 20, 40 years, it will help you to know what you were doing when you were studying in class 7th, 8th, 9th. It is only possible if you prepare diary, my dear children. Ruskin Bond has prepared a diary. He has prepared a diary, and from his diary we took one we took 2, 3, 4 pages, and in that the title of those 4 pages were A Short Monsoon Diary. You know, he's sharing his experience of June 24, my dear children, in the first day of monsoon. What happened in the first day of monsoon? The mist has concealed the hills. The mist has covered the hills. And what happened? What result is? It has also silenced the birds, my dear children. It has created a disturbance there. It has created disturbance there, and birds felt unhappy. Birds felt unhappy when they were not able to move from one tree to another tree. When the mist concealed the hills, and it also makes them silent. It also makes them silent, my dear children. It is because the birds fall silent in the mist. Birds fall silent in the mist. It brought perturbedness, my dear children. It brought disturbance, my dear children. Here he is talking about the first day of monsoon. What happened in the first day of monsoon, my dear children? The mist has concealed the hills, and it brought silence. It brought disturbance. It brought perturbedness in in animals as well as birds, my dear children. Let me tell you about the 25th June. what happened in 25th June? The rain is warm and humid, so it is not as uncomfortable as the rain in winter. The flowers are coming up. The author describes the hill station as the author describes the beauty of hill stations. The author describes the rush of hill stations and valley in one sentence. In one sentence, how he describes it, how he explains it. It is paradise. That might have been 25th June. He is here in this chapter. He is describing that it was charmful, it was beautiful, it was not a miserable like a winter rainfall. It was it was an enjoyable. People were enjoying and they used to move here and there, my dear children. June 27th, the monsoon has brought riches. It has brought riches. A leopard has also been seen. A leopard has also been seen. It has been stealing dogs and other animals, my dear children. Some seasonal flowers also appear. Some seasonal flowers also appear. More importantly, new birds appear. Among them are migrants. These are brightly colored birds. They sat silently among the leaves. You all have this experience, my dear children. Children, you all have this experience. Thank you and have a good day.